Sharma, 66 years, male patient with pain in both knee joints for 3 years, and he is not able to walk even 100 meters without pain. His X-ray shows grade 4 osteoarthritic changes in both knees, and he has right knee recurvatum deformity. As he is having many risk factors, I am doing staged right total knee replacement for him.
Hi, my name is Shravan. I am a software engineer. My father is Gunday Sharma. He is around 62 years of age. He is a Purohit, and my father has been struggling with the knee joint pains from past 3 years. So for that knee joint replacement, I have consulted many hospitals, and I been interacted with many doctors. So and finally I have come up with this Dr Balaraju Naidu name with my friend Praveen, who is very best friend for me. He referred me to go to this doctor. When I reached to Balaraju Naidu at Citizens Hospital, I have came to the one conclusion: I will be going to surgery without any doubt, because he has assured me 100% like the surgery will be successful like that. So we started the procedure with contacting him, and we had undergone with many tests before surgery. And this week Monday he had been surgery with knee joint replacement for the right leg, and it has been successful. After post surgery, after 3 hours only, he is able to walk, and now he is climbing steps, and he is able to walk independently. His leg is a little bit problem is there, but now it was straightened by Dr. Balaraju Naidu, and it was working fine. He is walking fine now, and the entire team in Citizens Hospital is very good, and they helped a lot. With Balaraju Naidu, we are able to get surgery successfully today. Thank you, Citizens team and everyone.